Good morning, guys. This is Adrian with Seabrite Marine here in South Florida. Today we got a removal on this 430 Outrage. Full removal. The kit is being replaced. It has some sun damage here coming up on the walkway. They call it light amplification. It's basically the glare from the sun beams off the side and it burns it and it crisps it up and picks it up. So based on that, they just decided to replace the whole kit. So now that I already got it all covered up, I'm just starting from the back here, just ripping up piece by piece, using the knife to get under it. This one was pretty straightforward. The Boston whalers typically treat me okay. Just kind of depends, always a case-by-case basis, but they do all right. Alright, so this was the most satisfying part of this whole job. Here I had this piece that I needed to take off and it just was not budging. Typically what I do is I'll get the propane burner torch and use this thick spatula to just burn it off. This is the best solution that I've found to do this. It was literally not budging. So you just heat up the blade, scrape it up piece by piece. You're not really damaging anything on the bottom, believe it or not. It's just cutting out the foam. So I'll go through with it with the torch and the spatula to get a majority of the material off that I can, and then I'll use a blade and the chemical to loosen it up. So this is, as I mentioned, this is the best part of the whole job. It's coming up super clean with the sharp razor. And it froze. I was so happy to get this on film because it was so satisfying to just clean up the whole thing. Just understand that it came out perfectly clean, okay? Seems like the audio kept recording, but I didn't get any video. So if you guys know how to fix this issue with the GoPro, please comment. So this is just a walk around, making sure that everything is covered and everything is removed, and we're ready to start pressure cleaning. And here you can see that we started cleaning and blasting off the adhesive. Unfortunately, the rest of the cleaning process was not saved. It's that same issue as before. I got a lot of audio but no video. So I don't know if it was the heat or whatnot. It was pretty hot, but as you can see, it was coming up pretty easy. So here's a final walkthrough. Just making sure that everything is clean and looking at it from all angles, you know, crouching down, looking up into stuff and making sure that I didn't miss anything. And yeah, customer was super happy. It's just another one done. Thank you guys for watching. If you got any value or just enjoyed the video, I would really appreciate it if you guys could like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.